expected. This is a statement from the National Weather Service for the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland: Anne Arundel, Calvert, Carroll, Charles, Frederick, Harford, Howard, Montgomery, Northern Baltimore, Prince George's, Southern Baltimore, and St. Mary's, and the following counties in Virginia: Arlington, Falls Church and Alexandria, Culpeper, Fairfax, Greene, Loudoun, Madison, Nelson, Northern Fauquier, Prince William, Manassas and Manassas Park, Rappahannock and Southern Fauquier. Wind advisory now in effect until 7 a.m. Sunday. Timing, tonight. The highest gusts are likely this evening. Winds, northwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. A wind advisory means that winds of 35 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. This is a statement from the National Weather Service for the following counties in Maryland, Kent, and Queen Anne's. Wind advisory in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 5 a.m. Sunday. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 5 a.m. Sunday. Winds northwest 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to around 45 miles per hour. Timing. Winds are expected to increase this evening after sunset and be at their strongest around midnight, then slowly diminish toward daybreak Sunday. Impacts. Strong wind gusts can knock down tree limbs and possibly some weaker trees. Isolated power outages may occur. The winds will make it difficult to drive high-profile vehicles, especially on bridges and other elevated roadways. Motorists should use extra caution, especially those in high-profile vehicles. Lightweight outdoor objects such as patio furniture and garbage cans should be secured.
The 8 p.m. observation in Baltimore.